Today, we're going to remove the battery door, put it to the side. We're going to put in a Samsung Evo Select 64 gig card. And we're going to now set our camera up. We're going to reinsert our battery and place in a Sassoon door. We're going to turn our camera on. And it tells you on the back screen only. English. We're going to hit English, agree to the legal stuff, choose voice, and go to the GoPro Quick app. We're going to go to GoPro, add a camera, connect the camera. Camera is connected. We could put a name to it. Let's make sure you're getting all the latest updates. Join the network. Enable renaming customs and so forth. Agree to the terms. Almost done. Don't go anywhere. And updating. We are now completed. While still, your smartphone is finishing up. And there we are. Congratulations. That's how simple it is to update your camera. When you have time, check out the app and continue forward. We are simply going to now use our camera as is. You finish updating, shut the camera off, and go have fun. Thank you for viewing.